In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase a font size in Notion. If you've ever felt that the default text in your Notion pages looks a bit too small or doesn't stand out enough, this quick walkthrough will help you make your text more readable and visually organized. We'll keep things simple and focus on using Notion's built-in heading styles to effectively increase font size. Go ahead and open the Notion page where you want to adjust your text. Click into the page so your cursor is active in the spot where you'd like the larger text to appear. This could be at the very top for a title, above a section you want to highlight, or even in the middle of a page if you're breaking up content into parts. Now, on a new line, start by typing a / followed by the word heading. So it will look like this, /heading. As soon as you begin typing, Notion's command menu will appear, showing you different options related to headings. This / command is Notion's way of letting you quickly insert different types of blocks without having to search through menus manually. You'll see three main options: heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Each of these is a different size and weight. Heading 1 is the largest and boldest, perfect for main titles or major sections. Heading 2 is slightly smaller, ideal for subsections. Heading 3 is the smallest heading, but still larger and more prominent than normal text, great for smaller subtopics. With your cursor still in place and the heading options visible, click on the heading style you want to use. For example, if you want a really large standout font, click heading 1. If you prefer something a bit more subtle, pick heading 2 or heading 3 instead. Once you click, Notion will convert that line into the heading style you selected. Now you can type your text on that line, and it will automatically appear in the larger font size that corresponds to the heading. If you change your mind later, you can click on the text, use the small menu that appears, and switch it to a different heading level or back to normal text. And that's it. By using the / command and choosing a heading style, you can quickly increase font size in Notion and make your pages much easier to scan and read.